Hello everyone, this is Devbyte. In this video, we'll make our game feel alive with coin pickup sound using SFX Manager in just 3 minutes. First, let's keep our project organized. For sound effects, we'll create a new folder with the name of SFX. And then inside SFX folder, we'll create a new folder for our gameplay related sound effects. I already had a coin sound effect. Drag this into my project from my PC. Now, instead of adding audio directly inside the player script, we'll create a centralized system called SFX Manager. This helps us keep our code clean and reusable. Right-click and create empty and rename this as SFX Manager. Now, inside scripts folder, we'll create a new script and name this as SFX Manager. This script will handle all sound effects in our game. Now, let's attach our script to SFX Manager game object and double-click to open it in Visual Studio. Let's remove start and update as we don't need them. We're creating a static instance so we can access this class from anywhere using sfxmanager.instance. No need to manually reference it everywhere. Inside awake, we'll assign our instance. Now we need an audio source. Audio source is the component that actually plays sound in Unity. Think of it like a speaker in your game. Without an audio source, nothing can be heard. And now we need the actual sound file of coin sound effect. For this, we will add an audio clip with the name of coin pickup. Now, to assign our audio source, we can do this by assigning it manually by dragging AudioSource component or through code using GetComponent from this game object. But first, we'll add AudioSource component. To do this, click on Add Component button while selecting the SFX Manager and search for AudioSource. Now, uncheck the play on awake, as we don't want our audio source to play any sound clip on awake, and go with the default setting. We don't need to change them right now. Now, in awake, we'll assign our audio source component reference by using GetComponent audio source. This means our code will go to this game object and find the audio source attached to it. Now we'll create a method to play the coin sound effect. So let's create a public method with the name of playCoinSFX. Now, from our audio source, we'll play one shot and our sound clip will be coin pickup clip. Now, why we are using play one shot? Because it plays the sound instantly without interrupting other sounds. Drag our coin pickup clip from project to our audio clip of our SFX Manager. Let's open our player movement script where we are collecting coin. We'll call our coin pickup SFX from our SFX Manager. Save script, and let's test the game. As you can see, whenever we are collecting our coin, we have a coin pickup sound effect. That is it from now. In the next video, we'll add some VFX. Follow Devbyte.